Kia ora, I'm Lian. I'm a communications coordinator and I've been with Downer for 3 months. We stand for each other means to me fostering strong and good relationships with my work whānau. And that means supporting, collaborating, just being there for each other is really important. An example is a colleague of mine had a lot on their plate. So I reached out, I asked them, look, I can take a few tasks off you. This helped a lot in terms of, giving them space to do more of the bigger pieces in their role. My personal values are rooted in my Samoan culture, and it relates to we stand for each other. Values like respect, support, community. It's all in relation to what I've grown up with in my culture. There's a Samoan proverb called E So'o le whau I le whau, which means unity we stand together. And I feel like when we stand for each other, it's about teamwork, it's about being there for each other. It's also about respecting the differences that we bring into the workplace.